So the company actually sent me this red light near infrared light therapy pad, and I have it here for you. Before you buy it, I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you its different features and showing you how it works. Let's go ahead and check it out. Right at the top, we have your instruction manual. So that's very, very nice, especially if you're a beginner or a first timer like myself. I really don't know how to properly use it, what it works for, the time, the frequency, how long to do it. So it's really, really nice that something like this is included that walks you through step by step. So here, as you can see, the first page, it tells you how it works, what the red light actually does, note before using, how to use it. So it's going to walk you through the controller and the settings, determining the frequency. So how often should you really be using it on what you're looking to achieve with this red light therapy. So this is what the mat looks like. Let me give you a closer look. That is the top part. So it's like black and gray. And on this side here is where all the red lights are. I like that it's flexible, so you could actually use this in multiple areas of your body, depending where you want to target. So you could wrap it around your body, wear it on your back, wrap it around your knees, your arms. It even has this little belt that has Velcro on it. So if you're gonna wrap it around your leg or anything like that, you could go ahead and wrap this around as well, just to keep it in place. All right, so you get two little packages like this. This is your controller. And I will be plugging it up. I'll be walking you through how to properly use it. And this is the power outlet. All right, so first you want to go ahead and connect the one that has the controller. You want to connect that to the pad, just like that. So as you can see, this right here is going to connect to the power cord. I plugged it in to the wall outlet, and I'm just going to show you what that looks like. As you can see, it's going to turn on, and as soon as I turn it on, you could see that it turned the red lights on. So here I'm just going to walk you through the different settings you have. To flip it on, you simply just want to go ahead and press down on that on your little controller right here. So here you have the power. So this is going to control it on and off. The little M is the pulse switch. Now here we have the LED plus and minus. So this is going to be the brightness up and down. And remember to refer to the manual depending on the frequency and the time. And then right here we got our timer, so that you could go ahead and go up in time. Goes all the way up to 90 minutes, or you could go down and as little as 10 minutes. I got it plugged up. I'm going to show you a few ways that you can use your red light map. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on now. As you can see, it's turned on. You could place it on your back, lay down. You could lay on the mat, set a timer, and the little belt actually sticks to it. You can simply wrap this around and use this to secure it. Put it on your midsection just like this. And those are just a few of the ways that you could use your red light therapy map. Like I mentioned, this is flexible. You could use it and target those areas that you want to target for yourself. I do like how flexible it is. It's actually pretty lightweight, so you're able to move it from any area of the house. If you want to use this in your bedroom, if you want to use it in your living room, as you're studying, as you're reading, as you're watching your favorite TV show or podcast, then this is a great option. If you've been on the lookout for a red light mat, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe for more product video reviews.